Hey guys, welcome back to Part 2 Dreams. Today I have come up with a very simple and a quick technique to make knot bead necklaces and earrings. So the pastels are the hottest color trend of the year. So I have decided to make the necklace in pastel color. So you need to take the favorite color of your choice and knit that with a large amount of white. Here I have taken rose, green and blue, and I have mixed that with a large amount of white, and I got these pretty pastels. While you are mixing your colored clay with white color polymer clay to get your pastel color, it will automatically get conditioned. So now you take your pastel color and roll it into a thin snake. Keep the snake long and cut it into two equal halves. Once you are ready with your halves, lay them side by side and twist like this. You can make this twist more even by leaving your fingertips on both sides of the skein and rolling one hand towards yourself and the other hand away from yourself very gently at the same time. After making this twisted snake, we need to wrap it around the end of a pen or a paintbrush for making the beads. Here I am using a paintbrush. Sometimes there is a chance for the clay to stick onto the paintbrush. In order to avoid that, I am wrapping the brush with a baking sheet. Now you take your twisted clay and wrap it around the brush like this, and your first bead will be ready. The number of wraps will determine the size of the bead, and also you can determine the thickness of your twist. That will also decide the size of the beads. Here it is, we got our first pastel color knot bead. Repeat the same process with the other two colors. And now we got our 3 pastel colored knot beads. Now I'm going to make the earrings. For making earring, I'm going to mix a red color polymer clay with a large number of white, and I got this color. Here for making earring, you can repeat the first 3 steps that we did with the beads. Like you knead that into a snake, cut it into 2 halves and twist it. Before you are going to shape your polymer clay earring, you need to cover your earring post with your same color clay and use the liquid clay as the glue. Now you take your polymer clay and instead of wrapping this around the paintbrush, you need to wrap it into itself like this. And this is our earring, and you need to glue this back to your earring post with your liquid polymer clay. Repeat this process and complete your first pair of knot earrings. Since we have combined 2 different colors, it will become too soft. So there is a chance of smearing your twisted shape by rubbing it. And you can avoid this by covering your fingertips with corn flour. Ta-da! We are ready with our earrings and knot beads. So this is the time for baking. So bake your earring and your beads as with your package instructions, and I will come back after baking. All the beads are ready after baking. We can make our necklace. Now I'm using a cotton cord and I have taken 2 wooden beads to complement the look. String your beads through the cotton cord, and I'm going to finish this necklace with a sliding knot because that is the easiest way to finish off a necklace. For making the sliding knot, fold one end of the cord like this and place the other end in the middle. Now you have 3 strands, inner, middle and outer. Take your inner one, wrap it around the other 2 3 times and pass it through the loop and tighten it. That's how you make your first sliding knot. Repeat this for the other end also. Now we have finished with our pastel color knot necklace and earrings. This is the simple way to make necklace, but you are always free to make it in your own way. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in our next video. Toodles!